Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, This Curvi Yogi. I am Jakita and today is day number 29 of our 30 Days of Yoga series for 2021. And today is Free Flow Friday, which is our last Free Flow Friday for the month. That is a tongue twister. So we are going to be working on movements that help us to move more fluidly throughout our practice. And we're going to add a little bit of Malasana in as well. So what you'll need today is yourself and your mat. So grab those things and we'll get started. So we're going to start in mountain pose, Tadasana. So having the feet parallel to one another, lift the shoulders up towards your ears and then down and back and relax them there. Think about stacking the ears over the shoulders and standing tall, reaching through the crown of the head. We're going to start with 3 deep breaths here, inhaling through the nose and exhaling out of the mouth. So let's inhale together and exhale. Inhale and exhale. One more time, inhale and exhale. And then from here, we're just going to come into a wide stance. It's as wide as comfortable. And we're going to start with some arm circles here, so kind of full body circles. You can have your arms starting in front of you. And then we're going to start over to your left, my right. And then you can inhale as you reach the arms overhead. Once you get up, you can exhale, moving the upper body with you. Once you come down, inhale again. Once you come up, exhale. One more time, inhale. And exhale. This time, when we come up, you're going to turn your right foot out to the right, bend the knee, and then reaching the arms out, come into a warrior two. And then we'll come into a reverse warrior. So bringing that back arm down to the back leg, reaching the front arm up and over, keeping a bend in the front knee. Reverse warrior. And then bringing that upper arm back behind you, interlace the fingers, pull the chest forward, and then we're coming into a humble warrior. So bringing that right shoulder down to the inside of the right leg or the right knee, and reaching the arms up or the hands up. Deep breath in and out. And then starting to lift the upper body up, bringing that right foot in, back in line with the left, coming back into our wide stance. And then we're coming back to our circles. So you can bring the arms forward, the upper body forward. This time we're starting to your right, my left. So inhale as you come over. Once you come up, exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And this time, we're turning the opposite foot, bending the knee, and bringing the arms out to the side. So your left knee is bent. Stacking the shoulders over the hips, coming into warrior two. And then we'll come into a reverse warrior. So back hand comes down to the back leg. Reach the front arm up and over. And then bringing the upper arm behind you. Interlace the fingers. And then we're bringing that left shoulder down to the inside of the left knee. Reaching the hands up. Coming to humble warrior. And then as you reach the upper body up, bringing that left foot in line with the right again. And then we're gonna bring the feet in. You can have them a little bit wider than your hips, a little bit wider than the shoulders. And we're gonna come down into a yogi squat, Malasana. So you can bring your hands to your heart. Toes are turned to the side slightly. And then you'll start to bend the knees and lower down. You can come down as far as is comfortable. Take a breath here. And then bring your hands down to the mat. Keep your left hand down. Reach your right arm up. Turn the palm and bring it behind you, twisting, opening the chest. Inhale. Exhale. Rewind, bringing the arm up and forward. This time keeping the right hand down. Inhale, reaching the left arm up. Flip the palm, bring it behind you, opening that left shoulder. Inhale. Exhale. Rewind, coming forward, and then start to lift the hips up as you come to a forward fold. And then reaching the arms forward and up. Inhale. Exhale. Shake it out. And we'll do that all one more time. So bringing the feet back out into your wide stance. We're starting with our arm circles again. So bringing the arms down, upper body down. And we're starting to your left, my right. Inhale, reaching the arms over and up. Exhale, coming down. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And this time we're coming up, turning that right foot to the right, bending the knees, or bending the knee, and reaching the arms out, stacking the shoulders over the hips, coming into warrior two. Take a deep breath in and out. Coming to reverse warrior, so back hand, rest on the back leg, reaching the front arm up and over. And then bringing the upper arm back, interlace the fingers, pull the chest forward, and we're coming to our humble warrior. So right shoulder comes to the inside of the right knee, reaching the hands up. And then bringing the upper body up, bringing that right foot in, coming back to our wide stance, coming back to our arm circles or upper body circles, bringing that hands down, upper body down. This time we're starting to the opposite side. So inhale and exhale as you come up. Inhale, exhale. And then we're coming up, turning the left foot out, bending the knee, bringing the arms out to your side. Warrior two. And then coming to a reverse warrior, so bringing that back hand down to the leg, reaching the front arm up and over. Bringing the upper arm back behind you, interlace the fingers, keeping a bend in the front knee, bringing that left shoulder down to the inside of the left knee, and reaching the hands up behind you. Humble warrior. And then as you stand, bringing that left foot back in. And then we're bringing the feet in for one more round of squats. So again, having the feet a little wider than the hips and the shoulders. Turning the feet slightly to the sides. Bring the hands to your heart. Inhale. On the exhale, start to bend the knees and come down to your squat. Having the hands down in front of you. We'll start by keeping that left hand down, reaching the right arm up. Flip the palm, bring it down to the lower back and open the shoulder. Inhale. Exhale. Rewind. And then keeping the right hand down, lifting the left arm up. Flip the palm, bring it to the lower back, open the shoulder. Inhale. And exhale. Rewind, bringing the hand down, and then lifting the hips up as we come to a forward fold. Feeling the stretch in the calf and the hamstring. And then reaching the arms forward and up. Inhale. Exhale, arms down by your side. And then just bringing the feet in as we come back to our mountain pose. And we'll end here with our 3 breaths, inhaling through the nose, exhaling out of the mouth. So let's stand tall, lift the shoulders up and back. Relax them there. Let's inhale together. Open the mouth and exhale. Inhale. Open the mouth and exhale. One last time, inhale. And exhale. Thanks for joining me today for Free Flow Friday, and I hope to see you all tomorrow for day number 30 of our 30 Days of Yoga journey.